Performance per candidate so far is as follows. Bulira Frank Kabinga, 39,488 votes, representing 0.42 of the valid votes cast for the candidates. Kasivante Robert, 28,080, representing 0.30 of valid votes cast. Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert, 2,105,921, representing 22.66% of the valid votes cast. Mabirizi Joseph, 18,847, representing 0.20% of the valid votes cast. Mugisha Gregory Muntoyera, 49,259 votes, representing 0.53% of the valid votes cast for the candidates. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, 25,480 votes, representing 0.27% of the valid votes cast. Nandala Mafwabi James Nathan, 175,331, representing 1.89% of the valid votes cast. Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni, 6,851,406, representing 73.72% of the valid votes cast. Total number of valid votes for all candidates, 9,293,812. Invalid votes, 230,897, representing 2.42% of the total votes cast. Total votes altogether, 9,524,709, which is 44.00% of the registered